Hello everybody, this is Mike. Today I'm going to share how to install Clawdbot or Moltbot on Windows. Make it very easy for you. If you are interested in similar contents, please subscribe to my channel. Let's start it. Let's start to install Clawdbot or Moltbot on Windows. So before we actually start, we need to install Git on Windows. So you need to open the website called git-scm.com and then click Install for Windows. Then we have like a download page. Make sure you select maybe the installer. For me, it is the first installer. And it only takes a few seconds to download. And we open the file. Then we go next until the end. Basically nothing special about the installation. So Git is required to install Moltbot. Unfortunately, as of now, it's not bundled in the installer. So after finishing, I think we need to switch to PowerShell as well and try it again. And here in PowerShell, it might have other issues, as you may notice. And let's install the Node.js first. You need to just go next. No matter whether you are on like Windows 10 or 11, it is kind of required. So here we got an error here. To resolve this error, I'm going to tell you a great way to copy this. Use right-click, and we can open ChatGPT and paste this error. You can use whatever AI you like. It's a pretty typical issue. And here it will give you a colorful, like script. We go to the second one. It is like a Set-ExecutionPolicy. RemoteSigned scope is CurrentUser. So we can run the command here in PowerShell actually. We run the command here and it will ask you to confirm. You can type capital letter Y and enter. And then we can try the installation script again for PowerShell. Yeah, it is not that exactly smooth. If you have macOS or Linux, I suggest you to install it on macOS or Linux. On Windows, there are always surprises. So it would take a few minutes. If you wait like for several minutes and there is nothing, you can press enter and it may refresh. So we will see. Here I press enter once, and after like about several minutes, it shows installed. And by this, it will discard the installation setup guide. So I will show you how to set up it. And you can type Clawdbot space, then config, or maybe it also has other like command, maybe has like onboard. Let me see. It has Clawdbot onboard. Yeah, the second option, Clawdbot onboard, and you will see the onboarding process again. And for the first question, you need to answer using the right and left arrow on your keyboard, and you select yes and enter. Then we choose quick start, and we choose like Google. For this case, you can actually choose like ChatGPT, OpenAI. If you have OpenAI subscription, here we just use Google because you can use it for free. Initially, when we select Google, we select the second option called Google Anti-Gravity OAuth. Make sure you remember the anti-gravity word. We will use it later. Then after waiting for like a few seconds or maybe 1 or 2 minutes, it will open your browser and you can see the authentication part. If nothing happened on Windows, it happens sometimes. You need to press enter and we open the web page and you can sign in to your Google account. And here we need like a 2-step auth to pass this 94 yes, and we go sign in. And when you see the authentication complete, you can go back to the onboarding PowerShell, and we can just press enter to keep current model. And by the way, if you are not seeing this authentication complete, you might need an account that can use Google AI services like Gemini. So the next step is a channel. You can check my video about the Slack installation, and I will also have the playlist below if you can check. It is pretty common on different platforms, so we just choose skip for now. And we also skip the skills installation, skip for the hooks. But for the hooks, you need to use a space to select and press enter to skip. So the last step is to run the gateway, and it would be kind of automatically. And just press enter and see if it can be installed. And by the way, it shows some like warnings because when you restart the computer, you won't see it running automatically because it says you need to like administrator permission. To run this installation, you can find the Windows PowerShell and right-click, run as administrator, and press yes. And we can see here is a new terminal. We can type Clawdbot. It's not a channel actually. It is a gateway and install. I think it is a command. This is my first time to retry it and say, oh, it's running right, and it's running. Yeah, nice. And here you can see some prompt of like firewalls. You can allow it maybe just private networks or maybe public as well. It has like some level of protection. You do not need to worry about it for now. Then you can refresh the page. It opens like a ChatGPT like UI. You can type hi and to test it basically. And if it works well, you can see it got some reply for you. And it basically uses like an AI service you choose. And the beautiful part of it, you can connect to different services and you can customize a lot of things. And please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will share more and more. And I will make the best tutorial about Clawdbot in the world. Thanks for watching. I am Mike. See you next time. Bye bye.